What's going on, guys? It's Eli, here with my good friend, Golden Gamer 15 and Little Blue. And yeah, welcome to part 5. And I know I said in part 4 that the 3 skydivers, they would be the first ones to be filmed for part 5, but I never got the chance. To do it because I was actually filming another video, which will actually come out after this. So yeah, be on the lookout for it.
Do they have them?
What are we doing? Wait, what are we doing?
I don't know. We're looking for.
Take these off for a second. Look at this. Kind of windy here today. There they are.
You sell them here? Yeah. Which one is it?
I don't.
This green top, or no, that one right there with the white top, the silver and white plane over there. That one.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
for $5.
So, I don't know where we're going.
Well,
My hat almost lost my hat.
How much hell?
Wait, what are we
$10.
doing?
What? We're going over here to look at these bullets.
Oh, the bullets, huh?
Yeah.
I like this plane. That's a really big plane.
C-130.
C-130.
That's the ones we see all the time fly over. That's what
Yeah.
It's the C-130 cargo plane.
Does it require money?
Selfie, Tom.
Does it require money to go inside?
Yeah.
I knew it. I even said, I believe in part 2. Oh yeah, selfie time. A video selfie. Oh my gosh, it's him. Oh yes. There he is, the bunny, the rabbit. I think Little Blue hates him. I forget his name, but I don't know. Whoa! There goes one. Is he about to take off or something? I don't know.
So if you don't want to rush, you don't have to. Take a look at some of the aircraft. If you haven't had a chance to, we do remind you again.
Okay, so yeah, there they are. Yeah, I need to catch up with them.
A way to remember this air show like none other by getting to ride on one of these classic World War II aircraft, Spirit of Detroit.
Hi.
You can buy a one-year membership.
I'll catch up with them.
And give you an opportunity to get a ride on that plane later on.
Okay, so
Rides available on that aircraft.
yeah, I was
If you want to check out the other aircraft on stand display.
I kind of was expecting to see maybe 1 or 2 mascots here, you know, and I have. That was one of them back there.
Spread the word that it did.
Oh, I could have.
Someone else didn't make it out here.
I could have sworn I saw another one.
So again,
There they are.
Golden
Golden Gamer 15 and Little Blue. Walking. So am I. Walking. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Look at that. That's awesome. 716. Bullets. Oh yeah.
Located right behind the C-46. So again, thank you for coming out here and supporting Dave's 30th anniversary of the show.
Okay.
Thanks again. Have a wonderful evening.
I don't know what we're doing.
The C-47.
Yeah, so. I could have sworn. Okay. Okay. That song. What is that? Acting kind of crazy here, but hey, that's what I am. That's what the 3 of us are. Just saying. We act goofy, funny, and wacky and such, and who cares? It's part of the fun. What is that supposed to be right there? What is that? I don't know. See my shadow? Hello. We've lost Golden Gamer 15. There's little Blue. We're the only two. There he comes. Look at him run! Golden Gamer 15 running like crazy. Now what? What are we doing now? Helicopter's taking off. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. Okay. What was that? What type of plane?
They actually have B-17 rides.
What type of plane was that you took a picture
They
of?
do.
Where?
Tell me,
You
and
gotta
the,
think, what?
tell me and the viewers what type of plane that was you were taking a picture of.
B-17.
B-17? and
B-17.
B-17. Okay, what now?
They have rides. Oh boy, this is gonna be interesting. Make it much fun today. Okay. Oop. My thumb got in the way. Okay. Continuing on. Somebody's wearing a Kiss shirt. Actually, I think the family is. American Airlines. That's awesome. The coloring. Can I not can't even tell. But yeah, back there. What?
What, Matt? You like 40 pictures.
Or just go back and forth.
Eli, see the turret, the gun turret in the very tail, and that's where the tail gunner sits right there, facing backwards,
Okay.
so he can shoot enemy planes coming from behind.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. Awesome.
I'm sorry, it's kind of hard to do.